Righty ho. There. Oh, sorry. That there. Wicked. Okay. 1 second, guys. Just sorting something out. Okie dokie. Right. Okay, beautiful. Welcome, welcome everyone. There we go. Right. Get that on. Welcome, welcome everyone. Right. There we go. Hope everyone is well. Morning, morning. Let me just put this on there.
Morning, morning.
Good morning. It's a new month. Just put that there. Okay. So we'll see over here. Let's put that on here. Very nice. Okay, welcome, welcome everyone. So it is indeed a new month. So all of the trades called have been reset. And we go again. Okay, looking like we're calling some bearish resistance already, but let me just go through these higher time frames. So yesterday I went through the higher time frame. So the first thing you can really see over here is that the last daily candle closed bearish, starting to create some resistance. Okay, so let me just record this for a second. There we go. Yeah, so starting to cause some resistance at these highs, which is kind of interesting to see. 1 second, I think YouTube's lagging a little bit. Let's do something in a sec. One second. Okay.
Morning, everyone.
Good morning, good morning. We can trade GJ even if it's a bank holiday, even if it's JPY bank holiday. Yep, we can because it's London session and London's open. Good morning, good morning. There we go. Right, we're back in town. Okay, so yeah, the first thing over here is the daily time frame closed bearish. Okay, so closed bearish, showing a little bit of resistance to these areas. Okay, so in this area here, it's showing like it's causing a bit of resistance, struggling to break above it. Let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. So the 4-hour time frame is bullish. There's been a couple bullish candles, but you know they haven't been that strong really. They've kind of just made a little bit of support. So you can see over here that this is the main level of support. Okay, 162537 on there as well, and then also here and here and here. Oh my god, my mouse. So sells below there are going to be looking really nice because look, we have them two candles here and here, which are going to be rather nice. Okay, your stream is lagging. Yeah, it's gonna be fine now, don't worry about it. So the 4-hour time frame is just flipped bearish. We've actually broken the lows of the previous hourly time frame. Let's take a look then at these time frames now. So I mean, we're pushing down right now. Let's take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Yeah, pushing kind of nicely. Let's take a look at the hourly. So hourly has no top wick, which kind of sucks for the time being. We can see there is a minor support right here at 162754. The choppiness in this area isn't the nicest, to be honest with you, but yeah, I'm trying to think of how I could maybe get sells below to maybe just fill this zone up, which would be, you know, the main kind of support would be probably down here. I think probably there or there. It's quite hard to identify where it's going to run to, but for me it's probably going to be around there, I think. In that area. So I think, you know, let's just take a look at how big this zone is here first. Yeah, 18 pips to the next one. Let me just move it there actually. Maybe potential aggressive sells below 162750 could be okay. Happy Eid Mumbiak. Oh, how do I say that, man? I think I'm fucking that up. Yeah, happy Eid. Lovely stuff. But yeah, looking like it's kind of choppy in this area. I think it's going to be much cleaner for sells below the daily flip. Yeah, so that'll be like further down. If you can see in the 30-minute, it'll probably be sells below 162.480. I think that would be pretty realistic. Yeah, I think I kind of like that. But right now, we are looking like we're pushing down. The 4-hour time frame is pushing nicely. It's already kind of ejected as well, which is good. The only issue I have is that this hourly has no top wick, so that kind of sucks. But I mean, if you really want to be aggressive, this next candle closes, makes a top wick, and then drives. It's already going to be making this top wick, and this next candle could be okay. But yeah, we'll see about it. We'll see. If not, I mean, it's only kind of 20 pips actually to these lows, and sells below this area is going to be looking much tastier because we've got the clean candles, right? So it could be quite nice. So we'll see about that. But it's looking like it's already making a little bit of resistance, which is good. Do you trade German 30? No, I do not trade German 30. No German 30 for me. Let's take a look over here. Let's take some more questions. So how long it took you to become a break-even trader and then a profitable? Break-even trader didn't actually take too long, to be honest with you. After maybe a year or so. But being a profitable trader took a lot longer, for sure. Yeah. We've just seen here as well, guys, on the left-hand side, we've got a little bit of support there. Got it there, got it there. So yeah, I mean, rushing into sells right now, probably not the best thing. I'm just going to wait a little longer. I know that the price action below isn't the nicest, so I'm going to be a bit cautious there. But I do know later on, sells are going to be nice, either below 162.470, 460, or actually just below 310. So that's all good for me. Good morning. Hope we have a great week with good profits. Yes, sir. Hopefully. Yeah, yesterday was nice gold moves, but they happened like later on in the day. Through NY, they look like they moved quite nicely, but kind of just impulsively. So let's take a look then at AUD/JPY, which looked like it was in a range yesterday. See if it's still in it. Oh, it kind of broke out, I think. Wow. Looking like it's broke out. So let's just take a look at this question. If you're a break-even trader, you need to go back and look at your losses. There'll be usually a trend so you can identify all your losses. Exactly, yes. Always go through, man. You've got data showing which trades you're good at, which trades you're not so good at. Why is that? So one of mine was if I'm holding a trade like in and out of profit, that's over 20 minutes, I normally lose it. So that's giving me data to show that if this does happen, then try and get out as quick as possible. Other things like, you know, different time zone to times, like I know I better trade at 8 o'clock at London, you know, all these kind of things will help you out a lot longer. So yeah, so AUD/JPY, we've broken back above, but as I can see right now, we still haven't really closed above this resistance, which is holding quite nicely. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see how this daily candle closes for buys maybe later on, but at the moment looks like the 4 hours coming back up. Let's look on the left hand side. Yeah, I mean, there's a little bit of resistance here right now, however it could fill that little wick here. So take a look on the hourly and the 30-minute now. Ooh, could be 30-minute Serie play soon, but we potentially could come towards these highs again, maybe 93,300, which is actually kind of far away. But the first target right now, I'd probably say would be around here, 92,760. Yeah, that could be kind of nice. My only issue is that the day is coming towards the daily resistance. It's only right there at 760, so taking buys right there is going to be kind of tough because it's right at the resistance. So yeah, we'll have to see. Let's take a look earlier on. How could you have got in? Nah, nothing much really. It's kind of, they had a big spike at 5:30. Was there any news there? Let's take a look. See if there's any news. Has anyone been paid from IC market slippage? Nope, they don't have it. I emailed them numerous times and they told me to fuck off. Oh, AUD interest rates, nice, at 5:30. Wow. Yours is going up a little bit. Not too much, though. So yeah, we'll see. But nothing like it's coming right now. I can see it's anything like I want to jump in right now. But it's all good. Looking like some good setups later on today, though. So it'll be good. Let's take a look over here as well. Let's take a look at some questions. Anyone got any questions? Does people trade news on indices? Nope, because I'm not a risky person. You basically said in normal people's language, do you go to the casino and try and flip your money? Hell no. What we do as a group in NY session, because sometimes it happens, is we just sit there and we just watch what happens. And I go through what problems you would have if you did it. So I'd be like, right now the spreads have gone to 6 pips, so every trade you get into right now, you can have 6 pips bigger stops, etc, etc. Oh, and now it's moved in and out of profit, and now oh, it's hit your stop, and now like, so every single time this happens, I kind of always go with the group and what's really going on. Okay, so the daily time frame over here looking bearish already. You can see pretty realistic, pretty easy, sorry, where we're going to continue to. Well, for me, it's looking like we're going to continue to the next support, which should be there, which would be the first target. And then further below, if we get a closure in this next daily candle, we should potentially fill that nice wick down here all the way to 1825, 1830. So that'll be pretty nice. Morning stop loss matters, fam. Morning, everyone. Good morning. Just looking at some questions over here. Good morning, everyone in the Zoom as well. So daily time frame bearish. The 4-hour time frame is closed bearish below. Oof, looks kind of nice. Oh, the hourly looks like shit. But the 4-hour looks kind of nice here because what it's doing is it's closed below, so you get the confirmation that it's closed below. This one's making a top wick, retesting the previous support. So what you could potentially see in the next couple hours or so is this next candle. This candle made the top wick, flipping and continuing to fill in that wick at least. That could be kind of nice. Take a look on the hourly time frame though. It doesn't look as clean, right? It looks like it's just a range. For me, it looks pretty obvious where the range is. So for me, it's probably going to be easy to just wait for sells below, 1857. Something like that. Yep, I think I like that. I mean, you could try and possibly, because you know that this could be the top wick of the 4-hour, you could, wait up here for like maybe a 15 or 30 minute bearish closure, something like that, and then take it back down. But for me right now, it looks pretty easy to just wait for sells below. Sells below 1857.7. Very nice. Probably better to break the low. Yeah, exactly. I think sells below there is going to be nice. So let's take a look at GJ right now. So 2 minutes left for this 15 to close. Yeah. So the things that are against me from taking like these early sells are the 4 hours actually closed quite bullish, right? This one's still open, even though it has made a bit of a top wick and started to reject. It's okay. The 30-minute time frame is the one that scares me kind of the most because this hasn't closed yet. It's got 60 minutes left for the 30-minute. There was a support there. There's a support there. You can see there's like rejection wicks here. So yeah, it kind of scares me for that. The 15-minute, however, does look like it's potentially continuing. I mean, all you could really do here, if you really want to, because this is a very, very strong candle, is if this candle makes a top wick back up here to 800, then flips. I mean, I don't see why not. So something like this, and then flips. Yeah, that could be kind of nice, if I'm honest. What do people think like that? Who's in the building today? Let's take a look. Look at the squad. What do you think, Brian, of this zone? Let's get some opinions.
I enjoy it. I like it, but the other thing is the hourly top wick.
Yeah.
And I'm at that 750 quarter point level.
yeah.
So that for me is a big. But we've got time. I mean, we've got 45 minutes till volume, so
exactly.
We can see if it moves a bit now.
For sure. Yeah, I agree. Totally agree. Yeah, I only didn't have a top wick yet. Oh, still got 45 minutes left. Yeah, still got quite a lot of time. But we'll see. Let's take a look over here. Morning stocks found there's a bank holiday on JPY. Yep, that's good. That means that it should have ranged through Asian, has it? Really? Kind of, yeah. Actually, that's another thing here. This means that I might actually move quite kind of nicely now, because this is coming into where the volume's actually open. This is all closed volume. So that's probably why. Hi Max, do you know of anyone who uses magic keys on Mac using virtualized Windows? No. I know people that use parallels. I think if that's what you mean. I think it works. I think it works fine. I think. So there we go. 15-minute closed. Very, very bearish. I know people are going to be running into these sells. What could I have done differently on charts to stream? Let's take a look over here. Let's take a look. Just today, there we go. Gold. Okay, was this yesterday? Looks like it kind of was. Price was bearish. 50-minute, 30-minute stops were too big. Like 40-50 pips was too big stop loss, so I decided to go on the current 5-minute that broke the low. Okay, then came down 10 pips. Didn't close because it was greedy. Wanted 12. Didn't move to break even, and price made new high. Stopped me out -1%. Oh, that's a killer. So you're up 10 pips. You came back to your entry. Then you lost your money. Oh. So it was here. Yeah. The only issue I can see here. I mean, this is the 5-minute time frame. I don't know how you really entered. It looked like you kind of just took a sell randomly. I think. Was it there or was it there? Yeah, I don't really know. I think if you got it there, you kind of just took a sell randomly. If it was after that candle, I would not be taking sells on this candle here. After that, that's tapped a zone. It's rejected and closed bullish. Hell no. Yeah, I don't know. A 5-minute time frame, taking a full trade on 5-minute time frame, it's got to be very clean. And this one didn't really look too clean, man. If I'm honest, it looked kind of choppy. I got to see more of the higher time frames for that. Send me more in-depth chart, and I'll take a look at it. But yeah, we'll see. Oh, hope everyone had a really nice little break, little bank holiday. I was looking forward to coming back, man. I was like, damn, I need to get back on the charts. Yeah, I was waiting for that gold move yesterday, but I couldn't get the entry, which kind of sucked. But you have a big untested area that should be respected for price to continue up eventually. Yeah. Good idea, good idea. That'll be rather nice. It's quite a long way away as well. It's like 80 pips away.
That's just my opinion on the charts.
So I expect sales today to test the area. Yeah, for sure. It's so clean down there as well, man. I'm pretty sure most of us in here kind of hate bank holidays. Well, I saw through London, it was just ranging, so yeah. It was kind of just ranging. Looking like GJ breaking the lows again. Oh, she just jinxed it. So we'll see. But looking kind of good for sales later on. Oh, look at gold's already kind of retraced. Oh, imagine buying there. That'd been kind of nice for maybe later on. Look at the 4-hour time frame. Yeah, this looks kind of good. Gold, if it comes down to 1857, like in London Open, damn, this could be kind of nice. Yeah, maybe with the hourly opening. So if this like hourly closes like that, could be kind of nice. Could be kind of nice. So we'll see. 200 people in here already. Amazing work. Let's take a look at the 5-minute time frames on gold. GJ, sorry, closing in a minute's time. Yeah, nothing too much yet. Probably just wait for this 30 minutes to close, really. I want to see how big this top wick is. If it gets to like here, like 780, 790, and then starts reflipping, I may try and take it. Because it's got the rejection. If it wants to make the top wick now in the hourly, it should continue and do that now, right? If we get to a certain level like here and starts rejecting, I don't see why not. We could take the sells. It's already retesting the zone, so looks kind of interesting. We'll see. Let me just put my thing on over here. Okay, let's take a look over here. 50 people in Zoom this morning. Wow, amazing. Agreed. You all agree and you hate fucking bank holidays. Like, damn it! Oh, let's take a look at this. 699. So it's still got 9 minutes left, so it's, you know, it's kind of the perfect time to really start pushing down. If it does break that current low, I think it could be kind of nice. I'm gonna look at the 30-minute though in a sec. See what we can do. $162,567 would be kind of nice to come to. God, someone's going with their mouse over here. Jeez. So beautiful. Coming up over here now, let's take a look at the 5-minute time frames. Yeah, they're coming back up. It's okay. I would like this 30-minute to close at least below there. I do think now if this reflips, I think you're gonna be good. So, how much would the stops be right now? 7 pips. That's not too bad. That's not too bad. Oh my god, did you guys see my TV last night? Oh my god, I was watching fucking Doctor Strange. Shit was glowing. Look at this shit. There's it. Let's take a look. Yeah, look at that. Look how sick that looks.
Look at this TV, man. Oh my god. How sick is it? Look at that.
Wait, when you're watching that and you're like fucking stoned, it's the best thing ever. Something unnatural. That's a sick movie, by the way. I highly recommend it. I'm gonna watch the Doctor Strange. It's coming on soon. I'm excited. On Friday. So right now it's retesting that previous area, 162,800. I mean, let's take a look at this 5-minute time frame. Yeah, 5 minutes are pushing up. So we'll see. If it wants to make this hourly top wick, it may do it right now. That'll be interesting. I was so hungover on Saturday. And on Monday. Oh, look at gold. I literally jinxed that straight away. I was like, if this makes some sells here, this could be the 4-hour top wick. You can see I'm always like looking at like seeing what the higher time frame stories, and then looking at lower time frames to see how it would work. I would wait for the 30-minute to close below on gold. Yeah, I think that's true. I think that's true. So if you got in right, if you're getting in when this flips, this will be 10 pip stop. That's not bad. 7 minutes left. That's still half the time of the candle, to be honest with you. That ain't too bad. Stop is at 8:16. If you're going on the flip, it would be 7:11. Yeah, I think this is worth it for me. Yeah, I'm just gonna have my sell stop over here, guys. I'm gonna have it on the flip of the candle. However, I don't think it's gonna play out, but I just want it to be there just in case it starts flipping quite aggressively soon. Put it green. Right now it's a 10 pip stop. This is where I want it to cause some resistance. If this starts reflipping over here, I'm gonna get a nice little trade down over here. So yeah, we'll see. But to be honest with you, I mean, as this clock comes down, I'm always looking at the time of the candles, right? Always looking at the time of the candles. How long does it have left for it to reflip? And I always put that into consideration. So even if you've got like a sell stop on and you're like, right, this candle's gonna flip, always just look at the time of the candles, right? Because you know, you can see here pretty easily right now we've got 6 minutes left pretty much, right? If this gets to about 3 minutes or 2 minutes, do you think that it's gonna reflip? Do you think it's gonna like do this? 1 second. It's gonna do this. Does it have enough time to do that? No. So that's when you gotta delete your sell stops. But I just want to have it in right now because I have a feeling that if it rejects this level, it's not gonna make that low, that top wick on the hourly anytime soon if this starts rejecting. So we'll see. This 30-minute, I really want to close below 758 though, so we'll have to see if it can do that as well. Gold's looking like it's gonna come down. Oh man, if this breaks the lows, 1857. Let's take a look for some zones over here. Flipping the 4 hour soon. Oh. Let's take a look on the 30-minute. Sorry. Let's take a look. Oh my god. Oh, there we go. Okay, so on the 30-minute, we broke these levels before. Kind of came down to 1851. You can see over here we've tapped. You know, here, we've tapped here, we've tapped here. This is all the same line. So there you go. We got our little target over here. All around 1851, 1852. That looks kind of nice. So we'll wait for that. But yeah, looking like it's already making some resistance. Very, very nice in that 30-minute time frame. 30-minute came up, tapped this previous zone. God, I wish I just took sell there when I said it. 1851 next major support. Yep. Sure thing. That's what it looks like. So it could be nice. Look, the 4 hours flipping now. So if you got on the 4 hour flip, this would be a 33 pip stop. That's not bad. If you wanted to do that. But I'm just going to wait patiently, probably for this hourly to close below. I had a long calm weekend, spit some firewood and wait for the ground. Wow. To unfreeze. When does it get warm over there, man?
In a few weeks. We already had some 25 plus degrees in the sun, but the air is still cold because the ground is frozen. Some snow on the ground and ice on the lake. So.
Yeah.
But in the sun, when it's sunny, it's nice and warm.
For sure, man.
Hey Max,
Hello, hello.
will you take AJ for buy?
The 4 hours coming up. I mean, I thought a little bit earlier on was okay. The only issue I have right now is the support is right there. Yeah, it's also
a bit weak.
Yeah, it's also breaking the higher previous 30. Yeah, I don't see why not. If you got in right now, your stops would be below these wicks, right? Oh, Jesus Christ, 20 pips. Look at the 50-minute candle. Yeah, I don't really like that. Probably wait for the 2 minutes to close. So let's take a look at GJ over here. So 2 minutes left. Do you think now that this candle's gonna close, you know, and flip and sorry, you know, make the top wick flip and push down? No. So therefore, I gotta delete my sell stops. So sell stops are a good way of getting into a trade without you worrying about it. Oh shit! I just saw it on the lower time frames over here, starting to come down over here. So look at the 30-minute. 30-minute looks like it's not gonna close though. Yeah. Oh.
Get ready for
Oh, it's coming down too.
Already.
Get ready for gold.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna get out of this GJ. So delete sell stops over here. I literally was just gonna click delete sell stops there, and then it just fucking launched down like another 4 pips. Oh my god, it's gonna do it. Okay, so let's take a look at gold. 1 minute left. Looking like it's probably not gonna get a closure. We'll have to see. We'll have to see. If not, then I mean it's okay. We still gotta wait for the hourly to close. That'll be fine. Please answer my question. Okay, what did you say? Where is your question? Your question isn't here, my man. That was your first message on the chat. Taking the whole week off due to UK holiday and Japan Golden Week. Not rushing into anything, just journaling. Very nice. Very nice. So there we go. 52 seconds left. Going to close bullish back above. The 30-minute isn't going to close below. So there you go. Just save myself a little bit over here. And we'll see later on. Yeah, gold's looking kind of nice. Goldie, goldie. To fill that wick would be, let's take a look over here. 30 pips is okay, that's okay. That's not too bad. I know the stream's lagging, guys, don't worry about it. God, it's lagging recently quite a lot. I'm gonna have to sort it out. Yeah, that's kind of pissing me off now. It didn't really do it
The
often.
V graphics card, Max.
I swear it's just.
Driver.
I swear it's
Might
just.
have to update your driver, bro.
I swear it's just Wi-Fi though, isn't it?
Oh,
I think it's this thing, this bitrate thing. The stream's current bitrate is lower than the recommended bitrate.
ooh.
What does that mean? I have to sort it out. Okay, so 50-minute candle didn't close below, that's fine, but it's looking, it's looking promising. The hourly did break the low of the previous, so interesting. Interesting. Might be drivers. I already use hardwire. I use Ethernet, yeah. But it's too a boost.
Oh, I think it could be your drivers.
Ah. How do I go by just driver update online? Like I'm not really much of a fucking tech nerd, to be honest.
Well, if you know what brand of your graphics card is, for example, if NVIDIA one,
Yeah, it's an NVIDIA
that
one.
you'll have the app called GeForce Experience.
Ah.
And it's where you update your drivers.
Wicked.
So it's a pretty important piece of computer,
Yeah.
especially when you like
Sorry.
running charts and stuff.
Amex, that gold 5 minutes on the low. That's 14 pips on 5 minutes on the low.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, you could do that if you want to be aggressive for sure. Breaking the lows of the hourly again, I don't see why not.
14 pips to stop.
Yo.
Yeah, I think you could potentially. I'm probably just gonna wait for this hourly to close.
Not too much, man. What are you doing?
Finny putt. So I think it could be okay. Yeah, I mean, if you wanted to. I'm just gonna wait for this for London Open, I think. Look at GJ. Oof, so close bullish, very, very strong bullish candle. AJ over here, Milan, looks all right, right? If it breaks that high.
Yeah, but there's no volume. That holiday.
Yeah. It's got a nice low wick. That's the only reason why I'm looking at it. 10 pips stop on the previous 15. I don't see why not. Coming 13 pips. We're also breaking the highs of the previous hourly again. Clean candles to the left hand side and the hourly there. 4 hours bullish. Yeah, that looks actually not too bad. Vincent, have you seen that? I haven't really closed above though, which kind of sucks. But the lower wick's nice.
Yeah, I've been looking at it. It needs to come up a little bit more. If it closes above those highs where it's, you can go back 1 to 15 minutes. You see how that massive news scandal and then if it goes above those highs,
yeah.
It's going slow today.
Yeah, it looks okay because the 30 minutes closed strongly bullish as well. I'm kind of tempted to take this. What do you think, Brian? Yeah, it would be nice if it's just a little bit higher.
Stops are like 7 pips of current with 30 minutes.
Yeah, that's true.
That AJ week, apologize, that AJ week didn't reach the 4-hour zone, so it still has room to go further up.
Yeah.
I'll share.
Let's buy.
Looks good. Let's buy.
On the flip, here we go.
Yeah. Might have missed the signal over here. Nah, I wouldn't get on the flip. Just getting on the high. Getting on the highs, man. Doesn't cost you any more. Let's take a look at the 5 minutes. I haven't got in yet, by the way, guys. I'm just waiting.
Did you enter?
No, not yet. Making the signal. Maybe a little bit higher. 650.
I have an order pending on the when it flips the high of the previous.
Yeah. Yeah. Me too, me too. How big's the stop gonna be? Like 6 pips? Yeah, that's fucking nice, isn't it? Oh, put me in over here.
Oh, tap me in.
Yeah, me
Same
too.
here.
Me too. So I'm in a trade over here now. I got in on the break of the previous 15 and 30 minute highs. I'm gonna use current candle stops. Nice tight stop for this for the morning. And yeah, we'll see. 1 second. So yeah, stops are 575. Kind of a nice little cheeky small stop. So. Yeah. Come on, bitch. Very, very nice. Look at the 5-minute time frames. Yeah, looking good. Clean candles to fill this hourly would be nice as well. Very, very nice. Let's take a look at some questions. Go to the beginning of the stream for GG. Oh, they're asking for GG analysis, yeah. Hi Max, is it possible to lower Zoom volume when other boys talk more louder than you? Yeah, I know. I need to sort that out. I don't know how to do that, but I'll take a look today.
That's because Max is a boy and we're all men.
Shot.
That must be it. That must be it.
Gonna be a long trade, this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, this could take a while. But it still looks good, so.
Yeah. Just have hope it has enough volume, you know. We'll see, we'll see. It's a nice tight stop though, so I'm kind of happy with it.
Yeah.
Nice low wick on the 30-minute. So we'll see. Let's take a look at GJ. Wow. Look at GJ, and there we go. GJ made the top wick of the hourly, so this is why, you know, if there isn't an hourly top wick, just be careful, because you can make one quite aggressively. What's your price entry on AJ? 655. Sorry, 646. Let me just check. Yeah. Oh, why is my screen melting again, man? Holy shit, I need to sort that out. That's really pissing me off. The screen's just melting, boy. 5 minutes closing in minute 30 seconds time. I really want this to close bullish, to be honest with you. That would be nice for me. Yeah, I'll really look for ways to help the stream. I'll look for that today, guys. So sorry about the lag. For some reason, it just shit itself every so often. Very slow, AJ, isn't it? Yeah. It's not like GJ. Let's just say that. It's not like GJ. Let's look on the 5 minute. Yeah, 770 is gonna be nice. It ain't like GJ. Are you in this trade? Yes. Oh yeah. Just need some leg room. So you potted yesterday in IG. How was it? It was good. It was good. Very hungover the next day. Very, very, very hungover. Oh, look at that. So look, no closure on golds. Came back in the zone yet. You know, it's a very, very strong level of support. So don't rush into it, man. You'll be able to catch it. Just chill. Come on, AJ. Sort it for everyone who's just joined the stream. 280 people in here. 280 people, man. Fuck. It's a dream, man. Do you only trade your trades or also others? What do you mean? Oh, like
Come on, AJ.
I like other people's trades. Oh yeah, like if I'm looking and like Don's taking a trade and it's got a nice enough stop for me, then fuck it, I'm getting into that bitch for sure. Why wouldn't I? Lag is your friend. So I'm just trying to see where I want to put stops to break even. We're looking kind of good over here. Looking like it's coming towards this little bit of resistance soon. 750. Yeah, 68 likes, guys. Come on, let's get the viewers up over here. We're in a beautiful trade. So from start to finish. Yeah, it's coming towards 6 pips now. On AJ, that's kind of enough for me, I think, to put stop loss to break even, don't you think?
I would wait for that 5 minute to reach.
I
that
usually
resistance.
wait for. Yeah, I usually wait for 7 pips to go break even. It's only 1 pip, but it's in my mind, so.
There's resistance here, but yeah. Let's see, look at GJ. GJ's still pushing, man. Fuck. Oh, looking nice over here. Stop loss to break even. Beautiful work, guys. I might take some off over here very, very shortly because coming to this little bit of resistance. We'll see. Yeah, 8 pips now. Stop was 8 pips. This is a 1-to-1 right now, guys. If you're unfunded and stuff, potentially take that bitch. So yeah, break even now, so I can't lose the trade. Oh no, you're so close. I was very, very tempted to take some off there because of the fact that this 5 minutes got a little bit of zone there. But we'll see. Thank you. Yes, just take a look. GJ ranging. Yeah, it's not the nicest, eh? It's not the nicest.
You have a resistance zone on your GJ yet, man?
On the 5 minute.
Yeah, I know. I want higher than that.
You think? Yeah, I think it should be okay, you know.
No, GJ, eh?
Oh, GJ. Sorry. Oh shit, yeah. Yeah, let's take a look at this hourly time frame.
Because it's closing quite strong.
Yeah. Let's take a
And then we'll have volume with us. So
I mean, yeah, above 163. Don't see why not. Oh, come on, AJ, you pussy. 1 minute 50 seconds left. Max, how much RAM do you have? 16 gigs. Maybe more RAM then? Maybe more RAM. 1 minute.
16 gigs is heaps, bro.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying, like. That's what I'm saying. I'm just like, I don't know. Ah, it's AJ, man. It's so annoying. Let's take a look. Blast off, AJ. 16 is minimum for streaming. 32 is good. Yeah. We'll see. Haven't you hit 10 pips in AJ yet? No, we have not. I've hit 1-to-1, but I want to fill this wick, man. Come on, bitch, yes. Break that high, pussy. Break that high, boy. 300 people over here watching us trade live. This is what we do, man. Ah. Thank you, Scott.
Have you taken positions already, Max?
What?
Have you taken positions of AJ?
No, but I might now. Yeah. Oh! Try that 5 minute, man. Oh! I saw 9 pips there. Fuck. Oh, it's closed above though, man. This is not bad. It's just this low wick. This is low wick. Yeah, so now guys, you know, the 50 minutes closed. Gotta make it a low wick. To be honest with you, I hope it doesn't. I hope it just continues and breaks this high straight away. It'll make things a lot easier for me. But yeah, a little bit of minor resistance down the 5. I really want to break above.
This is when we don't want a bottom wick.
Yep. Because our stop isn't below the previous 15, so it can come back. So I mean, yeah, I mean up. No. You can see it. It's so close. I was so tempted to click a button there, 9.3 pips. Like, ah, bro, you're killing me. If people are ballsy holding that on, you can just hold it on there. It stops there, to be honest, but we'll see. Start of the month. We're on 1 hour res. Nah, still looking pretty good, man. GJ's looking like it's juicy as well soon. Let's take a look here. What's the platform you use for trading? IC Markets. IC Markets, boy. 6 pips.
Come on, AJ.
Getting
Kick.
the flip.
Come on, baby. Kick.
Ah. Come on, baby. Kick. I secured 80 pips, 80% of 9 pips. Oh, I'm so jealous. No, as long as it stays there, that everything's so bullish that it should be okay. It's just this low wick. This strategy works in US 30? No, it does not. US 30, you'll get slaughtered.
That's a 9 pip curse.
9 pip curse. No, I better not be back for this month. I swear to God. Jesus Christ, I'll fucking leave this month and come back in June. Okay, let's take a look at this 5 minute. 1 minute. Yeah, interesting. It's just like, do I want to secure now? Because it is just 1-to-1. I'm kind of happy, but it's such a nice closure, and I think it should still continue. So fuck it, we'll keep it on. How long left for this 15? 11 minutes left. It's still a long time. Very, very long time. 318 people in here. Amazing work. It's a fucking curse, man. Oh no, it's gonna be a curse. The curse. It's gonna be a curse. Right, that's the low wick now. Come on, AG. Go on, GJ. If you blast, AG will blast with you, boy. Break that high. Break that high. Go on, right. If GJ does this, AJ should continue. Right, go on, go on, GJ. Impulse entry, so people want to take GJ. 30-minute break in previous 15. Break it, GJ. Break it. There we go. Break it. Look at AJ's coming back up. See? AJ feeds off the power of GJ. Look, now we're gonna get a trade.
Let's do
Let's do this, bitch.
let's do another AJ on a 15-minute flip.
Yeah, yeah, you could if you wanted to. It's too close to the hourly though. I'll just wait for the hourly. But yeah, I mean,
Like a double trade.
All depends on golds going down.
oh, AJ, you fucking arsewipe. AJ's so yeah, that's true. That is very, very true. Oh, AJ's coming down. Oh my god. There's volume coming in. You can feel it. That's a shame if that wouldn't play out. But that was nice. I mean, AJ is very, very slow. You gotta just fucking wait ages for it. But, yeah. Do do. Do do do. Do, 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 do. Let's take a look. Ah, such a shame. Nearly there. That's such a shame. Let's see if we can stay on over here. Did you take GJ trade? No, there was no trade to be taken. For the time being. No trade to be taken yet. So, I mean, Goldie coming down over here, yeah, looking pretty good. Maybe you continue. Yeah, looking like it's gonna hit me out of break even over here. Ah, so close. I knew I should have just closed it at 9. Because of that 5 minute here is coming quite close to it. We'll see. We'll see though. Still not there yet. It was pretty damn close. I think if it breaks that low I'm gonna be fucked, but it's okay right now.
Yeah, break even for me.
Yeah.
But I did close 80%.
Oh, you cheeky boy.
Yeah, same.
I got a little bit slipped. It was 7 pips for me.
Oh, what?
When I pressed close custom, the price went down a little bit, so I wasn't like on a 9, I was 7.
Yeah, I got hit break even now. Fuck! Oh, it was so nice, so well. Still valid though, 50 minute hasn't broken the low of the previous yet.
Next gold is coming down.
Yeah, boy. Breaking the low of previous 30. Probably gonna absolutely launch down here. Very, very nice. How would you potentially get into a trade now? I mean, you just got to go impulsively with stop loss above, which would be a huge stop.
And we still have 6 minutes for our hourly closure.
Exactly. So just wait for the hourly to close. It should be good. So let's just do trades called over here. That basically was a W, man. Fuck's sake. Ah, 1 break even on my trades called. That makes me feel like sick. Let me just do this. The way it just creeps up, it's just like, oh, come on, AJ, just slaughter. Okay. This. So yeah, 6 minutes left. If this candle gets a nice closure below, makes a nice top wick, then damn, I'm gonna get in these over here. Very, very nice. Happens so much. Yeah, how much did they actually get there? So if I actually got in the place I wanted to, which is right there, I would have got 10 pips. Fuck, it's annoying. Oh well. What can you do? What can you do? Everything about it was nice. Breaking the highs of the previous 30. Very nice. Very nice.
Maybe you were a bit greedy too, not taking partial profits at 1.5.
Well, people were saying, nah, I'm holding on a bit more, but yeah, I mean, it did come pretty close to that high, right? Yeah, 1 pip away. Very true. Commissions? Ah, you need to put the FOREX rebate on and then you're good. Put that bitch on is good. Okay, so yeah, I still want this nice closure below. There you go. So if you got into sells there, you would have just had a bit of drawdown now. Just wait for the closure, wait for a top wick. Should be pretty nice. Did you see Roger making 140k? Yeah, I saw it. Bless him. Very, very nice. He's always there at the right time with the big moves, every time. The thing is though, the big moves happen so randomly in the day, I just don't get how he fucking gets them every time. He must be on the charts actually quite a lot. And they never happen through fucking NY, ever. He always gets them in like Asian. Right, let's take a look over here. So breaking lows now. Very nice. 4 minutes left. Hope it doesn't run off too much for me, but still the zone to 1851 is still nice. So. Well, Joel, you need to put it not break even. You need to put it 1 pip in profit. You donut. You must have a monitor in every room in his home. Yeah, like a little like tablet in every room going, God's passing the zone, boy. So 50-minute over on GJ rejected. That's a shame. If that just continued, that AJ would have as well. Now look at AJ, so broke the low of the previous 15, couldn't continue. That's all good.
Was Sachin the guy who has that crazy setup, like with 4 monitors?
I think it's someone.
Oh, Scott, yeah.
Scott, yeah.
That's amazing.
Scott has a beefy one, yeah. Scotty boy. So that's good. It's made a lower wick. So this gets closure below on the lower wick. Nice. Push past there. So it'll be yeah. Okay. So gold sells soon, potentially. We're gonna fill this wick up. Take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Look how nice it looks now. It's got a closure below. It's made the top wick. It's breaking the low of the previous. Looking very nice to continue down. Down. So we'll see. Do you make your stop loss to AJ 660, not 650? Yep. 4 monitors equals 4 times the profit. Yes.
AJ and GJ just flipped completely.
Yeah. They just dipped. What do we always know? When 745 candles, so 745 candle closes at 8 o'clock bearish, the next one's always bearish. We see it every time. So let's see if this works out. I don't know how I would want to get in. It'd be below probably there, 764. We'll have to see. 750 again. Yeah, that's true, Brian. The best time frame you use every time, sir. I use every time frame. What's the point in using one when I can use all of them? Someone Sage goes, stop loss is useless, I make money without it. So why are you on a channel that says stop loss matters? You need to go
There's
to
someone
YouTube.
feeding money into the market sooner or later.
Yeah. Yeah, 350 people, 99 likes. Make sure you like the stream up, guys. One break even. It did run 9 pips, nearly 10. But it's showing you how to get in, how to put a break even, what needed to respect, all that good stuff. And I take it live, boy. Stop loss is useless as a turd thing to say. Thank you, Joel. Yeah, you don't want to trade. I mean, like here, look. So we would have lost that trade if you didn't have break even there. So the times where it it hits a break even and then launches back up isn't worth it, because you'll be so pissed off with this being up 9 pips and then you lose 7-8 pips. It sucks. But as I said, it's always we were on a 1-to-1 on AJ for a very, very long time. So wow, so 50-minute close bullish back above. That kind of sucks. Oh my god, what is happening over here? Fuck me. Let's take a look at some news. There is some next level shit going on right now.
Maybe Citibank Group is all over the markets again. Like, was it yesterday or was it? Yeah, it was yesterday when they misplaced an order. Did you see it on the news?
Yeah, I think I saw that.
They kind of crashed the whole market.
Jesus Christ.
And then they went, oh, our bad. That wasn't supposed to happen.
My bad.
That's how the whole thing started collapsing in 2008.
Jesus. I mean, what you could wait for here is a 5-minute closing below if you wanted to. That could be reasonable. GJ has tapped the previous resistance again, so if this reflips, there's a good chance it's going to continue down. AJ's just dumping. Damn, yeah, it must be something to do with these pairs over here. Very interesting. Very interesting. Probably 4 hour on gold now will rip off. Yeah, probably. Yeah, Margin Call. That's a good film. And there we go. See, so we were right. We got our move. Didn't work out, but we didn't lose any money. That's what you gotta do. So GJ ripping off, as I said. If it respects this high and flips here, it should potentially continue down. But the price action here isn't the nicest. You could just say that this is a range, right? Like this. So it's just in a range. It's not going to be the nicest place to take trades in, so it's best to back off. 3 pips in AJ, nice. Massive interest rates conference today. Yeah, it looks like there's a lot of news today. That'll be interesting.
There's a lot of news this week.
Yeah. Next days. Yeah, damn. Oh my god. Oh my
nice
god, yeah. This is not a nice week. Fucking hell. Yeah. Are you selling gold in the 50-minute? Nope, because the 50-minute didn't close below. However, I mean, yeah. However, yeah, the 30-minute didn't close below either, so it's going to be a bit hard for me to get in there. 50 base points have been spoken about, so 2 will be at 10.5% on USD. Nice. 335 people in here. Sheesh. Amazing. Just came back from a nice little break, and I'm still the biggest London streamer in this bitch. Mate, Daniel Savage, who has, a shitload of followers and stuff more than me, he gets, like, only a little bit more views. I was looking yesterday because he was streaming. Is he streaming today? No. Yeah, yeah, 427, so he's got 100 more than me. He's in 58k. Fucking hell. That's mad. That ain't bad at all. Ooh, someone gonna take some sell stops here, breaking that low. How much would your stops be? 26 pips isn't actually that bad for 48 pip gain. So let's take a look then. Let's paper trade this. So it hasn't broken the low yet, but if it does break that low, 26 pips for a, a decent enough break is okay. But the issue you have here is that it hasn't closed below, so it's just the same as this. It's hard. The The only thing is you got 8 o'clock volume.
What about after closure? If it gets a nice top wick?
Yeah. If this 15-minute closes, but 10 minutes left, I have a feeling that this is gonna run.
Oh, I was thinking 5 minutes.
Oh, 5 minute. Yeah, I mean,
Yeah, I'm gonna enter at 5 for sure.
I'm just asking.
Yeah.
Yeah, like yesterday, 5 minutes. We entered before on gold on 5. Remember, Max? Before.
Yeah.
Nice zone.
Yeah, man. 1857, 1856.7 is where you'd want to get in. The issue you have is the stops. The stops are 26 pips. Kind of beefy a little bit. Look at the 5 minute now. You could use current 5 minute stops. That's what you could do. Or you could just go for the 26 pip stop. Whatever floats your boat. Should I potentially do this? I don't know. Breaking the lows, nearly. So yeah, you have to use your stops. I mean, you could just use the current 5 minute, but that gives you, how big's that stop? 10 pips. That's alright. My only issue is this is 25 pips. It's kind of like the biggest stop I'd want. Okay, breaking the lows. Let's just paper trade this, guys. I'm not going to get in, but I'm just going to paper trade this. So your stop would be there. To try and drive down to this next wick and then to continue. So if people want to take that, then go for it. But for me, the stops are 26 pips on a Tuesday. Maybe not. Looking like it's probably going to work out over here though. Very, very nice. So yeah, 1851 would be the target because you can see in the left hand side that's where it is. But yeah, you'll have to see. So I'm just paper trading this, guys. I'm not actually getting in because the stops are too big. But it's just nice to visualize it. I've got 10 lol, nice. Stops too big for me, not going for it. Yeah, that's the same for me. Stops kind of just a bit too big. 20. When I see 26, it's a bit like, oh. But I mean, it's 22, 23 to the next wick. I mean, that's okay. I do think with this 4 hour it's gonna go down. So people who are ballsy, you're gonna probably work over here. So well done. If you got balls of steel, you deserve it. Pip stop, not worth it. Oh my god. Outbreak even. Oh, Sasha, how did you get in, brother?
I get in too.
Nice.
Fuck. No, fuck.
Oh.
I wanted to close, and then went to break even. Fuck.
No, I was on GJ.
Oh, GJ, yeah, fair.
Yeah.
Fair. So there we go. Kind of worked out over here. You got about 15 seconds to close at 25 pips, but apart from that, still okay. So it would be break even, stop loss to break even now, hoping that it continues over here. 1851. So there you go. So it would have worked with the 8 o'clock volume. You can do that. The thing is, if you actually use the 5 minute stops there, it would have worked out. Yeah, it would have. So, you know, a bit aggressive there. If you got in there, stop loss above there, you know, you got a 12 pip stop. That ain't too bad, right? That isn't too bad at all. So, kind of nice. I never trade gold too much. Manipulation. Yeah, I think people getting into this industry do not trade gold straight away just because you see these massive trades, because you can also lose a lot of money, okay? I'd say, you know, after you've done GJ or, you know, easier pairs for a while, then you can potentially have a look, but there's no rush. Stop rushing into, you know, hard pairs, you know, just chill out. Nice, Roj, good lad. You saw 26 and you're like, bosh, 1-to-1. So it would have got you 1-to-1 here, guys. So if people did take that, well done. So yeah, sometimes on the stream, you know, I'm gonna give you ideas of what you could potentially do, but obviously people's risks and people who risk all depends on you as a person. So I'm gonna give you some options that I won't take personally because the stops are maybe a bit too big and it wasn't a closure, but you guys can also take them. Or you learn the hard way, yeah, on gold. Oh wow, you used 5-minute stops, Roche. Good lad. Good start to the month, man. Well done. So you look at, oh my god. Good GJ. Let's take a look, see if this can continue down over here. 1852. I only buy physical gold and keep it in my wardrobe. Gold, yeah, gold is not as... I'd call like AJ, like, just, you know, it's like retired life, isn't it? You just relax and you take a trade, you wait until it hits TP or break even and you're pretty good. Gold is, you know, on a night out, absolutely fucked off your head. Things are going around, it goes in and out of profit, your fucking emotions are everywhere. Gold's hard shit. You have to know what you're doing, man. For sure. GJ check. Yeah, I mean, there's no way you could have got in there. 30 minutes closed bearish. Looking like maybe a bit of news over here is happening. Did Max, you make gold rules webinar? Yeah, it's coming out today. Yep, it's coming out today. How much range for GJ next zone? Yeah, I mean, the zone is actually pretty garbage. I'm not gonna lie. Like, look to the left. I mean, like, where can you put your resistance lines? Like, where could it next come to? Well, I mean, it could come to there, it could come to, you know, there, it could come to there. It's just choppy. It's not nice. So when I got onto the charts this morning and I saw GJ trades, GJ zones, I wasn't really, you know, best pleased, to be honest with you. So I left it. Fill that wick, boy. Fill that wick. Come down to 1852. Finish the move, bitch. Yeah, it's coming out. And then simulation sessions are tomorrow and the next day, so Wednesday, Thursday. And yeah. I'm already used my ball capacity in AJ earlier, entered a little later early, got 10 pips on partial, now I'm a chicken out of gold. Yeah, exactly, man, just chill out. It's JPY bank holiday, right? Yep. But that does not affect us in the slightest. Because JPY is already closed now. Or closing. Why is the stop so big? You can just half your lot size. Can you explain why you think it's a big of a stop? Okay. Sorry. So the reason why I don't half my lot sizes for potential trade is because of the psychology behind it, right? If I'm going to take a trade, sorry, here, and I have a half lot, right, and I take a trade there, just like we did, and I have a half lot, I'm going to want double the amount of room I would normally, right? I'm going to want, you know, more room, you know, double the amount of room, because on a half lot. So if I see my terminal, it's got half the money I'd normally expect, I'm going to try and hold on and be greedy, and then, you know, it's break-even trade. You put your stops to break-even, hit your break-even, even though you did actually hit like 10 pips, 12 pips, and you're like, well, that was a waste of time. So for me, it just doesn't make sense for me to half my lot sizes, because people in the group sometimes half lot sizes on trades, and it works out nicely, but then they don't close because it's nowhere near how much they want to make out of a trade, and then, you know, it hits their break even. It's just like, well, that was useless. So, you know, if I've got, you know, the bullets I want to use in the trades, I want some nice, you know, nice trades that are perfect for me. If it's not like that, then I'm chill. Look at the daily flip on GJ. I learned that from you. Yes. Oh yes. Could look at the daily and the 4-hour time frame now. Yeah. Also another thing here. Just use your eyes a little bit, right? The 4-hour time frame. What does a 4-hour time frame look like? It looks bullish, right? It looks bullish. Okay. The 4-hour time frame looks bullish. And the daily time frame, it looks pretty bearish still, doesn't it? Right? It's closed bearish, just making a top wick to continue. So it's kind of contradicting. And then you look to the, you know, the lower time frames in GG, and it just looks shit. So That's why I leave it out. So there we go. So if you did catch that trade, well done. There's another trade already for the morning, 30 pips. Very, very nice. I understand. Thanks for answering. Would you say using different lots is different situations in the same pair is a smart move? No. It's just more things to think about, man. If you keep a set lot size and just monitor your stops, okay, so like if it goes anything higher than 12 pips, just go, nah, I'm gonna leave it. Then you don't have to worry about it, because if you keep on changing your lot sizes per trade, you're gonna have to work out the maths. And trust me, the amount of times when I was younger, I'd work out the maths and then I'd lose a trade and I've actually lost a lot more than I expected. It's gonna piss you off. Like, you know, for me, I know my lot size in GJ is 10 lots now this month, and I'm happy just holding that. You know, I'm fine. You know, if it goes anything more than 13 pips, then you know I'm not gonna take the trade. You know, don't worry about it too much. Whereas if you're like trying to get into a trade, like I already have to write the signals for people to get in, but you know, for you guys, if you're like there like trying to fuck about with your magic keys, trying to make lot sizes smaller and half risk and quarter risk and all that kind of stuff, it just sucks, man. So yeah, looking like AJ's came back. It's flipped the 4-hour time frame. But, you know, it makes sense, doesn't it? Because this 4-hour, I mean, even though we're taking buys here, look kind of clean. Now we've rejected. The 4-hour didn't close above this resistance, did it? So, it could always still reject. So, yeah. So, we'll see. But yeah, nice, man. I wish I kind of just entered this now. But for people who are maybe a bit ballsy, Milan, did you take this trade? What did you say you did? You put break even or something?
Yeah, I did. I'm so mad.
Bro, Milan, stop putting break even. So I mean, I'm gonna go for this in the rules today on gold.
I had like 12 pips.
I know, but give gold chance, man. Look at the 4-hour. It's always gonna come down. Give it a little bit of room.
Yeah, now it's okay. But before, I got 12 pips.
Did you get in on the flip or the low?
On 5 minutes. Low.
Low, okay. So you got there and then...
Yeah, my stops are on current.
Yeah. Oh, your stops are on current. Ah, right, okay, that makes more sense. I was thinking if you had a stop up there, then just, you know, leave it a little bit, you know? But fair enough, use current. So 50-minute candles close bearish now. This should make a top wick and then flip and continue back down at 1851.8. Yeah.
That's what I'm thinking right now.
You what?
That's what I'm thinking right now. Flip on the low of 15.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, could work out. I'm not gonna get involved, but for me, I like getting in just when it breaks there because you get a nice push. Whereas getting in there now, you're right. This wick could reject. I don't know. We'll see. My target on gold is 1835. Oof, damn. 1835. So the issue you have here, you know, if you're in this trade and you're waiting for this, is this top wick. You know, it could be quite aggressive, as you can see right here. But it's still valid. It's still valid until it breaks that high up there. So it's, you know, it's a long way away. So there you go, though. Like, that's kind of an impulses trade that you could do with London Open. I advise only these impulse trades, you know, at NY Open and London Open. Don't do these in the random times of the day. You're going to get slapped pretty hard. You do it where there's a lot of volume, and here is a lot of volume, right? So yeah. Oh wait, is Michael here? Michael, did you pass your phase 2 because that AJ must have hit it?
No.
Ah, no.
I was at 8 for 12 pips and got 9.8.
You're so close to passing it. But I swear you mustn't have had that much percentage to gain though, right?
Okay, what? Can you repeat? Please?
Did you need the 12 pips to pass it?
Yeah.
Thing is, you've done that twice now. You've done that twice. It just you were aiming for 12 pips for this one last trade. Okay. I don't manage risk until my entry candle has closed. Candles can move around a fair bit. I was exiting a lot of winning trades early before my entry candle closed. Yeah, it depends on how you trade, you know. I trade with volume in the candle whilst making a top wick and then flipping. If you backtest that strategy, if it comes back up and wicks you out, yes, sometimes you get break-even trades, but for the most part, you'll go back in a drawdown, and that is not a vibe. But it also depends on each thing. Like AJ will put stops to break even like 7 pips. GJ will be like 6-7 pips, and then gold for me, it depends how big the zone is, you know. But if I took this trade there, I would have closed quite a lot there, 23 pips, so nearly a 1-to-1, because that's where the wick is, right? That's where the wick is. Re-entry on gold? Nah, it's pulled up quite a lot now, right? How can you take GJ short now? Nothing is bearish. Oh, someone looking for GJ shorts. Yeah, I just don't like the zone, man. I just don't like it. I think it's just a bit choppy. Like, I couldn't, like, you know, if I had to ask someone where is resistance, like where's price struggling to get past, you'd say this one. So this is the only one I can really see. Like, you know, yeah, there's one here, there's one here, there's one here, there's one, you know, there's a support there. It's just choppy. So, you know, I want clean areas.
And also on the 15-minute, GJs make a nice set of higher highs and higher lows, so
yeah,
those are not good.
Yeah.
This time. See how it makes structure every time. So.
That's a nice little wick, actually. Ooh, is this something that Brian may be interested in before? Oh, that was 10 pips as well. That was kind of nice.
Except there's no bottom wick on the hourly.
Oh. Yeah. That's true. That would have worked out quite nice, actually, yeah. But yeah, there's no bottom wick on the hourly. I suppose, but maybe that kind of should have done that. It's pretty close, right? But yeah, that's fair enough, being conserved there. I think GJ will go 163 at 170. I've been trying to flip this daily. My stops were too tight. I got wicked out. Yeah, coming towards the daily resistance now, which kind of sucks. I hate taking trades near the daily resistance. It's always in the back of my mind. Oh, if this 5-minute close is bearish, some people are going to get in some sells over here. How big would the stops be? 10 pips. I'm at 163.250. Yeah, let's take a look on the hourly. Yeah. It's just choppy though, right? I mean, if you're getting in here, then you're good for 250. I see that quite easily here. But apart from that, it's just a shitty area. Did anyone trade GJ Bank Holiday and learn the lesson, or did you actually take some trades? I saw that there may have been a little bit of moves here, but can you see the structure of the candles is just not there? Like if you take a picture of this, can you see how it's just a bit? It's not right there. You know, it's not clean. You know, you're not seeing candles like consecutively over a long period of time. You know, doing this. There's a lot of wicks everywhere. Let me just point some out over here. So this one here, you know, big wicks, small body candles, small bodies, big wicks. That's not what I want. Even though this candle here closed below and this continued down, can you see over here that this candle didn't break the low of the previous, didn't break the high as well. This one broke the high of the previous. So even if you took sells here, you probably would have got break even. And just really, really bad price action. So. Cleaner traffic above 163.800, yeah.
X. About that gold on 30 minutes for closure, then week. I feel that a big week right now for the team.
No. I think Milan, you're looking at that. You're looking at the 30 in the hourly way too much. Other than the 15.
Yeah, but that's more safer.
No, but it isn't safer when this, because you could be looking at the 30-minute, right, and you're going, right, okay, we're gonna get a 30-minute closure here, but all you got to do is look at the 15 and look at the 15-minute candle right now. Look how strong that is. Do you want to be taking a sell right there?
Go to the daily. So you kind of hit that area across to the left as well. Yeah.
Right there. So, I mean, yeah, I don't. Every time you tell me something, it always works out, man. So just go for it. But for me, I just don't. I just don't want to do it.
Oh, coming up.
I think gold is for buys. Well, I wouldn't take any buys, but I think the buys, yeah, they're coming back into the zone, so the zone should get filled, right? But I will not be taking the buys because, as I say again and again, I want to keep my mental psychology correct. And if I take a buy right now, okay, yes, I may have the 4-hour flip, but the daily time frame is bearish, the overall trend's bearish. So when I go to my journal and start writing my loss, if I take a loss, I'm gonna be like, yeah, Max, you retard. Why the hell did you take all this entry when everything's so bearish? It'd be rather annoying. Do that 100 times, see if you're making money. Exactly, Joe. That's what most of the trading is, you know. If you do it 100 times, are you gonna make money out of it or not? AJ, let's take a look. Is AJ flipping back up? Oh my god. 15 minute has made a nice area of support. 92,380. Oh yeah, it's not bad, is it? It's not bad, is it? Oh, it's a shame the hourly closed bearish, man. I hate taking trades when the hourly closed bearish. It just never works out. And this is genuinely just from like looking. So let's just take a look over here. So bearish candle, next one was bearish. Bearish candle, next one was bullish but didn't break the high, and you would have lost it eventually. This one would have worked out nicely. But can you see overall, probability wise, when there's a bearish closure, the next one's normally pretty bearish or doesn't work out too nicely. However, you know, the structure is bullish and it, you know, clean candles to the left. If it does break the previous high, then, you know, it should be good to continue for sure. So maybe break at the highs. See you later, Vincent, my man. See you for NY. 3 minutes left for this 30-minute candle closing. I mean, if it closes bullish above the previous 30, then I don't see why not. But yeah, I'm not too happy with this GJ zone, so I'm gonna chill. I'm chilling out. Let's take a look at some questions over here. 121 likes, amazing stuff. 346 views, amazing. Yeah, we've nearly hit 10k followers on Instagram, so make sure you go and follow if you guys haven't already. I'll put the link here. I post all of the recaps and stuff, so even if you missed, you know, the stream, you're good. Gold fake out trade? Nope, I am not taking that. It's way too bearish in the higher time frames. I'm going through all the rules today on gold, but taking buys just for the retracement for me is an absolute no-go. You'll lose them more than you'll win, so there's no point. Do you stream NY? Yeah, I stream NY with my private group on Zoom. Every single day I go on with the group and we talk and take trades. All the signals are all there as well, so that's a part of the mentorship. So we have 112 people coming in for us for NY sessions. So if you guys do want to join that, every week you get a webinar, we get homework, simulation, 2 simulation sessions pretty much now every week, and all of the signals are for $49.99 a month. And yeah, so if you've got a big enough account, you'll make that enough. You'll make that much on signals. But if you've got like a £100 account, then it's probably not worth you. But if you've got like a, I don't know, £1,000 or £2,000 account, it'll easily pay for your signals for the month, and then obviously you learn with the group. We got a chat which we all talk into when we're taking trades for certain setups, etc. Because sometimes, you know, I'm not there, but most people now in my group are pretty good at trading. Like, there's a lot of funded traders. People have numerous funded accounts, so they're all pretty much on the ball. So it's a good community to be in for sure. That's why we're growing, man. So there we go. Goldie Boys came. Look at the hourly time frame. Really rejected them levels. Daily time frame broke the lows and was like, nope. But you can kind of see why, you know. It broke the lows, which means, you know, it should potentially continue down, but look where it tapped. It tapped the daily support. Okay? What makes your support and resistance zone stronger to take it at the candles, for example? Oh, I have no idea what that meant. So 30-minute closing in 9 seconds time. So look at the 15. 15 is a little bit, you know, a little bit worse. Above 92.735 would be kind of nice. Clean candles in the 50-minute to, yeah, that's actually a clean zone, man. Kind of clean. You know, following this candle there would be rather nice. That would be pretty good. Max, can we get a setup tour? What, of my bedroom? For sure. I'm adding bits and bits every single day. Oh, I think soon my dad's gonna let me drive his Lotus Esprit for summer. So I'll have a nice little summer car, which will be fun. Kind of excited for that. Wow, look how strong that candle closed. Oof.
Max, does your dad let you drive Lambos and Eva?
No, but it's coming, man. This is the first time I've actually asked him about it. But basically, the issue I had, right, is that because the reason why I haven't asked him is because of the fact that I think if I get into one of his cars and start driving it, I'm gonna want a car, aren't I? I'm gonna have to buy it. So I'm like kind of like holding off because I'm like, oh man, if I get into one of these cars and have a good time like driving it in like the, you know, the windy lanes, I'm gonna have to go buy one myself, and I don't want to do that financially.
Max, we've got an event here in Eisner called the King of the Samola, King of the Hill.
Oh yeah.
So you can enter your own car. So there's a lot of Evos, there's a lot of Lotus Esprit, there's a lot of there's a guy that's taken a Skyline GTR and he's pushed like almost 2,000 horsepower.
Wow.
And like there's a lot of like accidents and stuff that happen, but it's a very windy road up to a golf course. But it's happening this weekend, and you can watch it on YouTube. So I'll send you the link. It's pretty good. Yeah, we had VIPs the one year, and man, it's amazing. Like R8s, like Oaks just they just let loose. You know what I mean? Like they just go wild. But there's a couple of good like racing team guys that bring like their personal cars, and they just have fun the whole weekend just doing time trials up this hill the whole time.
Wow.
I'll send you the link over just like on Friday.
That'd be sick, yeah. Send us the link, I'll have a look at that. I would love to do a tour, man. I really want to do Gumball Rally because my dad did that like twice and he said it was sick.
You do it now, come weeks, I want to do one as well.
Yeah, that'd be so sick, the Gumball Rally. Yeah. My dad did it when I was quite young, and my mum went with her, and it was around America, but after America they were going to go to Asia and they were going to go to North Korea. They got like private access, and my mum was like, I'm not fucking going to North Korea. Dad was like, yeah, fair enough, let's not do that bit. Oh wow, look at that.
Yeah, if you just check like the other videos, but you can see there's so many different cars you get. Like Oaks, it's really good. It's a really good weekend.
Wow.
And it's not expensive. Like if people want to go watch, it's like I think a VIP ticket will be like 1,000 rand, which is like £40.
Wow, it's pretty sick.
There's a problem there. Well, I remember in the old days they had those.
I like his accent. His accent's so sick. I'll take a look at that. Yeah, for sure. I definitely want to do it. How old are you, Max? 21. Nearly 22. 22 next month. What's your dream holiday, Max? I've been fortunate enough to kind of have a dream holidays already, which is, you know, very privileged to have. So the ones I went on, I mean, I kind of like all holidays, but probably was I really like going to Dubai. There's just something about it. But I don't know now actually, because I haven't been in a while. And I know it's very much influencer, kind of toxic shit. But when I was younger, it wasn't really like that. It was very new. The only people that were there were footballers, really. So yeah, probably Dubai. Or I like going to LA. I like going to LA, doing all of that kind of stuff. I like doing like all like the roller coasters and shit. I really enjoy that. Anyway, Monaco is rather nice. I like the nice places, man. If you've been to the Maldives, no, that's what I'd love to do. I'd just go like Bora Bora and shit. But this year I'm going with my friends, you know, and most of my friends at the moment can't really afford much, so we're going to Bulgaria. Oh yes. To take a risk, probably you need to be. Ibiza. I have not been to Ibiza, no. Morocco. No, I haven't been to Morocco actually either. Morocco. Ibiza is probably where I'd like to go, to be honest with you. That'd be a vibe. So looking like GJ over here is just continuing. I mean, on that flip there, probably would have been quite nice. But I mean, it did have quite a big rejection wick as well, I suppose. But pretty good. I just don't like the zone it's in. I mean, if you're getting in early here, I do think it's going to continue. You can see, I mean, how strong is this candle now? And look, the daily time frame is bullish. To fill these wicks could be kind of nice, but for me, I don't know if I like it too much. I want to know who's taking these gold buys when you flip this candle. Greece, yeah, I've been to Greece. Have you been to Detroit, Michigan? Lol, that is a great vacation destination. Detroit. Detroit. In America, I've been to Los Angeles, Hollywood. I kind of did that, and then I went to New York as well. New York. Fuck off, Ryan. You need to come to South Africa. If you survive, then you've lived the dream. Me, the amount of shit that you told me about South Africa, I ain't going there anytime soon. Unless you can buy me a armored truck with a fucking missile defense system. I am not fucking about on that. Let's take a look on the weekly flip. Yeah, fit the weekly now, nice. Yeah, you can see though on the daily that it just isn't the best zone. Like, you know, I want these, you know, I want these nice candles. Right now we're kind of just in this little zone over here. So yeah. Yeah, so looking like we maybe couldn't do it a range now. 8:37, still got enough time. A bulletproof Evo. After Bulgaria. I've been to Bulgaria before. What, Milan?
What do you think about gold on a flip back in a range?
Nah, not on gold. Not on gold, man. I would just kick myself. But you go for it. I mean, let's take a look at how much the stops would be. 16 pip stops. Don't see why not. But for me, I ain't taking buys when it's this bearish.
Fuck Bulgaria.
Fuck Bulgaria.
Gypsies go there.
Gypsies go there. Oh my god.
Serbian gypsies. And Romanian.
I'm going to Sunny Beach. It's called Sunny Beach.
That's below your standards.
Sunny Beach. Don't lower your...
Yeah, Sunny Beach is supposed to be really nice.
Yeah, Sunny Beach. Beach is what? Awful.
Yeah, it is.
I'm going to get pissed, to be honest, Milan. I couldn't care less.
I know it's cheap. It's very cheap.
South Africa isn't that bad. I've only been broken into 7 times, to be fair. That's so funny. That's like hilarious. Literally, I've heard that literally from about fucking 20 South Africans on this stream. Five minutes left. Looks like this 15 may close bearish. I was thinking about visiting Ukraine. Yeah, maybe not yet. Bulgaria is completely open now. No vaccine or COVID test. Oh, nice. I'm going to Spain before though, so I'm gonna have to fucking get a booster for that. 'Cause Spain have been arseholes about it. Are you a gypsy, Max? No. Oh my god. Milan said all the gypsies go there, and I was like, I'm going there. He thinks I'm a fucking gypsy now. Go to Detroit, you'll be broken into every hour. Yeah. Where's Detroit again? Whereabouts is it? Detroit. Google map. Detroit. Detroit. Let me just zoom out over here. What the fuck? You got a place called London? Oh my god. Oh, is this like right in the middle? Oh yeah. Oh, Chicago. Yeah. Yeah, I know Mike Malak of YouTube. He's from like Detroit, I think. Yeah, he is. Cleveland. Is that Cleveland, Ohio? Is that Ohio? No.
Yes, it is.
Wicked. Yeah, I want to go to America again. What kind of stuff? I'll tell you what, I love the security there. Holy shit. They don't fuck about there. My god. I shit myself. When we went there, I was like, oh my god. It's full on. The New York one, oh my god. It's full on, like. They don't fuck about. They're still though so fucking like racist about it though. I went with my school, right? And we're all in a group, and they were picking people at random to search or like look at. They picked literally every single brown kid in the fucking class, and then they picked 2 gingers at the end just to kind of even out. It's like, oh my god, what the fuck is this? Like my teacher was Mr. Chowdhury, and he got straight. He was like, this is so fucking shit. It's mad. Your security even runs away. Oh my god. Looking like AJ's kind of chilling now, but it's fine. I gave it one opportunity. I wish I just closed at 9 pips, but anyway. You can't look back. You can't get upset about it. You just move on to the next setup. Yeah, do not go to Detroit. Been to the Netherlands? Yes. I want to go there again, actually. Netherlands is a vibe. Texas, yeah. I think if I had any investment money, I'd probably buy stuff in Texas. Looks like it's kind of cheap, but it looks like a lot of people from LA are moving over there. So, you know, what will happen is people will go over there, it'll turn very, very liberal. And that's when the taxes go up, and that's when, you know, it'll basically turn into the next LA. Yeah, LA gets a really bad rep now. I see from people, it's like, oof, yeah, this is not a vibe. It costs so much to live there, and everyone's like fucking homeless as well and shit. And you can't travel, like this. The traffic is awful. Yeah, not a vibe. So 2 minutes left for this 50-minute count goes bearish. Oh, just want to retest them lows again. Oh my god. Hourly's reflipping. Interesting. Maybe it might be a 50-minute closure below again. Would I want to do that though after the 30 close bearish? That would scare me, man. If you go on a closure right there, how much would stops be? Oh, 34 pips? I think not. Strong laws in Texas? What? I swear they don't have any. I swear it's not strong at all. It's like 0 tax. You know, if you can fucking throw your gun around. I swear they had like, I thought that was like one of the most relaxed ones. Too expensive to live, travel exists. Sounds a lot like Britain. Yeah, that's true. I'm from South Africa, and it's not like they'll try to scare you with a gun to hijack your car, you'll just get shot first and then they take a BMW. Oh my fucking god. Oh my.
You're gonna have no tourists.
Yeah, you literally get your whole tourist market is all gonna come from my streams. I'm like, nah, fuck that, I'm not going anymore. What was the hardest? What was the hardest thing to become profitable? The hardest part, it was from the break-even stage, you know. And genuinely, what it came down to was having a really, really good week, right? And you're feeling good, you're feeling confident. The next week comes, price is absolutely garbage, but because you're still feeling confident, you're still taking the same trades you would do the week before, and then you lose all your money back to the markets, and then you get break even again. So what I do now, and what I kind of teach and preach, is that if price is looking garbage, so like GJ right now, I'm just not happy with the zone and the price action, mainly because this was a bank holiday, right? And I don't really know how it just doesn't look nice to me. I back off, you know. I'd rather take no trades now, and that's what makes you a shitload more profitable. Another thing that actually helped me as well was holding on trades longer when there's bigger zones. So last week and the week before, very, very good volume and very big zones. So I was more inclined, to hold on the trades more. So last week, let's take a look. One second over here. So last week, can you see these GJ trades? 20 pips, 30 pips, 12 pips, 18. So very, very, you know, I held them on for a lot longer. So, you know, my runner there went 88 pips. So, you know, a lot more runners helped me out. I'm gonna have to update that one in a second for my break even, but yeah, we'll see. You should have stayed on GJ. Yeah, I know, it ran just nicely, eh? That was the entry I would have wanted, I think. This one here. Because the stop was so nice, 10 pips, perfect.
Yeah, on 5 minutes looks nice too.
Yeah, that 5-minute closing was nice. Very, very nice. Discipline, exactly. Discipline to not take a trade when there isn't one there is probably the most thing that I'd say. Also, actually, another thing that we talked about last week, I had my first loss in quite a long time. I haven't actually updated that. I need to update that. In NY session, but you know, it was a -6 pip loss, and from managing the trade from start to finish, I was telling, you know, my students here of why it's so important to be able to just click the close button. Okay, if you're still struggling to click the close button when you need to and let the stop loss actually hit you out, you need to try and learn that and be able to, you know, click out when it's a loss, because, you know, us as humans, we don't want to take a loss, right? So we, you know, depend on the stop loss to get us out because we can't do anything about it. But being able to just close it when it's going in the wrong direction or something close against you and you can just get out, being able to do that is such a big thing. You see Raja do it all the time, right? If something's going against him, he's just like, right, I'm gonna get out. But some people will try and hold on to they'll try and hold on to the, oh, but it could wick back and I could be fine and it's gonna be all good. But knowing that the probability is against you that this happens, if you do this 100 times, how many times is that going to work out? You know, maybe 2 out of 100. It's not worth it. So you've got to always think about it in probability wise, okay? If it's, you know, if you're not going to make, if this trade isn't going to work out, you know, 80-70% of the time now because you've held it on for too long or there's a candle close against you, just get out, just close it. Yeah, but it's a hard thing to do, but you've got to be able to do it. Like
let's focus on the gold.
Let's focus on the gold. 15 didn't close below and it's pushing back already. So, and I don't like the 30.
Like the 1 hour.
I know you do.
Look clean on 1 hour.
I know, but you could have been. Thing is though, Milan, you could have been saying that the whole time here, and you would have got wicked out a lot. So even though it did look.
Just waiting the next 1 hour current week. I'm gonna wait for the stop loss. I will see how much it.
Yeah, 11 minutes left. I mean, if this closes like this, it makes a nice top wick. Then I don't see why not again. Yeah. It may just run down though. I'm not gonna lie. It's looking very strong, the 5 minute. But see. Always have 2 stops, the one for your trade and your mental stop. Yes. Max, how can we incorporate fundamentals in our trading? Is there any need? Nope. I made 39% last month, and I didn't once care about fundamentals. I just left them alone. It's nice to know. So like I'm not stupid. I know what happens. If good news comes out in the US, gold's gonna go up. The US dollar's gonna go down. All this kind of stuff. If bad news comes out, gold's gonna go up and US dollar's gonna go down. All that kind of thing. It's nice to know, but it doesn't really affect me because I'm not trading with the news. Because I don't want big stops. I don't want big spreads, and I don't want aggressive kind of adrenaline fueled trades. I want peaceful, nice trades. So yeah, they're like GJ. I mean, ran nicely, but damn, it's just the zone to the left. I feel blind, right? I feel like I'm, like this could be resistance, this could be resistance. So it's very foggy. Even though that this was yesterday and it's a new day and we've got volume. For me, I have no kind of target for these levels. That's why I left it. I really want to see if GJ will smoke this order block. Oh, order block. I can't see anything up here, man. It's just garbage. It's straight garbage. You're gonna trade NFP by placing buy stops and sell stops on the highs and lows of the candles? Nope. I am gonna do the opposite of that. I'm going to not take any trades. Hell no. There's no need. Bro, do you know some people who don't sell course or signals or YouTube streams, even any kind of extra source of income, but still make a good living doing only trading? Yeah, for sure. I mean, half of us. I mean, my big account now is huge. I don't need the money that I get from this mentorship stuff is nothing. It's literally, I mean, it's like what? I mean, how many people have I got in now? Yeah, it's like what, like 5,000 pounds a month, which is nice. But I mean, I trade a 10 lot. So it's 5 trades in a month. It's not huge. Well, nearly 5. It's like 6 or 7. But yeah. So, I think people who maybe think like, oh, they're just doing it to make loads of money. You got to think of it as, why wouldn't I? I trade live on YouTube. I don't fucking fake anything. I do the NY privately, and I teach people how to trade properly. Why wouldn't I do that when I know I can do it? If you know you can't trade and you're just putting in freaking 10,000 signals in every day and just hoping that they can't do the maths that they've actually lost money, and you don't have any live streams or like live kind of trading, then yeah, that's useless. I always say, if you want a mentor, make sure they live stream. If they don't live stream, man, it's just waffle. It's just waffle. Because what will happen? Like, look over here. So we took a trade over here today. Gave them the entry, all that kind of stuff. Beautiful, beautiful. Break even here, amazing. And then I said gold sells soon, so I always give them some notice. But can you see I'm not bombarding them with like 15,000 signals a day? If someone's bombarding you with that many signals and then going, oh, this was a 23 risk to reward, like hold it on, and oh, we've taken 200 trades this week, you have to do the maths. Are you actually going to make any money? So I advise just going for someone that trades the similar style like we all trade, and yeah, if that's me, great. If it's someone else, great as well. We're all pretty good. 6 minutes left for this closure on the 30-minute. Interesting. This you have at the moment is just stops at just gigantic.
Five-minute current max 1670 pips.
Had a nice retest. Break of the low.
Retest.
Yeah, I mean, yeah. I'm probably just gonna wait. I'm just gonna wait for the hourly, but go for it. 17 pips.
It's tempting.
It's a nice top wick, I can say that. Yeah.
Yeah. Nice retest.
Do you think that European time have a look to catch both session London and NY, or is it probably better to focus on one? I do both, so I think both is fine. So flipping over here, oh, you might be able to get this, Milan. Good lad. See if it can continue. Flipping that 5 minutes should come down to 1954. 26 pips, 24 pips, something like that. Very, very nice. Max, have you backtested all the pairs or only 3? Only 3. I only need 3. I did GA as well, actually, sorry, but GA, the spreads are kind of ass now, so. Very nice. 5 minutes just closed. Do you think this one that's gonna make much of a top wick? Probably not. So it's probably still gonna continue over here. How much would your stop speed right now? 22 pips. EJ. Do 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 do. So yeah, I might wait for this hourly to close in 5 minutes to look at the 15. Yeah, I still think it's going to continue down. So, should we quickly go to the toilet? Ah, I think the 5 minutes flip there. Yeah, you're good. Well done, Milan. Should be good, should be good. I'm just going to go to the toilet. It'll be 2 minutes, guys, and I'll be back. Two minutes left. Milan, you got this, yeah? 14 pips. That was a nice top wick, man. 1-1.
No, I didn't.
You didn't take it. It's very nice. Oh my god. We've had like fucking 40 pips in gold this morning. Nice. Let's take a look. Yeah, I don't know if that's moved. How far is this? Hourly closing very, very bearish below. Interesting. Interesting. Max, when taking levels, some even though are clean levels, there are previous resistances and previous support. Should we consider them, or should we look at only current? Do you mean like from like a long time ago? I think from like a long time ago, like more than like 7-8 days before, then probably just use it as like targets, not like in depth of like what's actually happened. Yeah, little targets. So if this made the nice top wick on this one, if it does that and then reflips, then I'm gonna take that, man. Because it'll be like a how big was that stop? 1 second. Yeah, like a 20 pip stop. It could be kind of nice. So we'll see. We'll see. I'm actually doing a Magic Keys giveaway. Oh, very, very soon. Hopefully. We'll do one maybe on Friday. Maybe on Friday. Let's take a look at the ad revenue. I like this because the more you like, the more things I can do, because it puts them more on, the more views we get. I can't wait to see how the revenue gets better though in the summer maybe. I think just this halfway point is just a little bit slow. Yeah, look at that 3. That's so bad.
15.
What?
Making a week on 15. Gold making a week.
Yeah.
Current. Stop.
1855.7. Oh, how much is current?
6, 7.
Oh, 25.
On a flip.
Fuck that.
Nice.
I'm waiting for a top wick here. Yes. Keep on continuing, bitch.
With the flip or on the low, Max? What do you think?
Kind of want it on the flip.
Want more pips on the flip, huh?
Yeah. Nine o'clock always has some really good momentum as well. Oh shit. How much your stop's gonna be though? That's my only issue. 10 pips right now. Can't make a big old top wick, pussy. If not, then I'm probably just gonna use current candle highs. We'll see. Beautiful. So I'm gonna trade now over here. Stop loss is gonna be above the current, I think. A second. Yeah, fuck it. Just gonna use the current highs. I don't know if it's going to be a big enough top wick for me, but we'll see. So look at the 5 minute. Yeah. Break that low, bitch. Take a look at the hourly time frame now. Looking nice. Look at the 5 minute. Boom, boom. Moving good, cash good. Yeah. We'll see, we'll see. I want this drive down, man. I want it hard hitting. Hard hitting. Don't fuck about with me. Come on. I hate having a 10 pip stop on gold though. It's just very, very small, but we'll see. It's worth it for this. One minute violate. 1 minute violate. Breaking the lows again. Let's take a look at the GJ. Five-minute close bearish. Very nice. Come on, bitch. Break. If it breaks that low, shit, it's coming at 1852, man. Look at the 30-minute. Coming to that wick. I'm gonna take some off at 10 pips just to, you know, stop us to break even. Yeah, I'm gonna go stop us to break even right now. Actually, no, not yet, not yet. I don't want to get wicked out first. Ah, come on. Are you in a trade? Show it, please. Bro, I've literally... Come on, man. Come on. I've literally shown you everything about this fucking trade. I said, I'm getting here on the flip. I said, I'm getting here, wait for the top wick. It's happened. Come on, man. What do you want me to do?
You teach them how to fish, you put the line in the water, and now you're hooking the fish and you're serving it on a plate. Okay, so 50 minutes left for this AJ to continue maybe up over here. Very nice. Let's take a look. 30 minutes still nice. Just needs to get us a little bit of volume. Take a look at the hourly as well. Yeah. Oh. Come on, I should have done it by now, bitch. It's taking a while. Come on, some fucking momentum. 9 o'clock's beautiful time for gold. It's a beautiful time for gold. It doesn't mess around. Come on, boy. Once it breaks, like, you know, once it gets a bit of volume over here and pushes nicely, holding this on could be reasonable. So people who are maybe a bit ballsy or maybe already made a trade, 40 pips could be on the cards maybe for you guys. Stop losses at break even right now? Not yet. Soon though, very, very soon. There's volume coming in. I can see it on my MetaTrader. It just needs to start pushing a little bit harder. It needs to get past six or 7 pips, and then you're gonna be good. Hit TP1 over here. To look at the 30-minute, yeah. Coming towards this wick. This is where it rejected before, so kind of want to be at break even by then. Right. Yeah, I'm gonna go break even now. Fuck it. It's fucking about too much. I think it's still gonna be reasonable, but for me, I just don't want to lose that trade right now over here. Look at the 5-minute. Yeah,
Yeah, it's still reasonable, but fuck, it's just taking its time. So stop loss to break even, risk-free trade. I really want this to continue, but for me, it should have already pushed by now, and it's fucking them out. So we'll see. The 5 minutes made the top wick, so as long as it respects this 5 minute high and pushes down, it should be good and hitting TP1 over here.
Yeah, but you told me before why you put a break even, Milan.
No, but this one hasn't pushed yet, bro. Look how far we are in the zone. Doesn't matter anyway. No, I'll go through that in the rules, Milan. But
Yeah, and we have a nice top on 5 minutes on the high.
Yeah. Just push, you bitch.
Yeah, I need 17 pips. Exactly on the low. I have my TP.
Oh, that's 5 minutes. Top wick's gonna be interesting. Just fucking launch down. You're so close, Goldie. You're so close, Goldie. Who trades with a stop loss in this room? Me. Yeah, I unfortunately do. I only have dumb money concepts, so I have to trade with a stop loss, unfortunately. But if I had smart money concepts, fuck, man, no stop loss for me. That's what I would do. How many lots do you have in this trade? 7 now on Goldie. Because last month was a very, very nice month. You upgrade that bitch. You level up. Okay, so breaking the low of the previous 5 minute. It's gonna hit 9 pips again. Do I really want to fucking lose that? Oh my god. Push down, you fucking pussy. Oh my god. Yeah, he is KFC manager. I'm just winding them up. I don't use a stop loss. Never gave and still make money. It's all about the perfect entry strategy. Ah, yeah. Perfect entry strategy. Can this hurry the fuck up? Jesus Christ.
It's all fair and well not using a stop loss, right? There's a lot of people that do it. But when you go into drawdown, you know how hard it is to close. Not necessarily a pip count or whatever, but a monetary loss.
Yeah. Facts. So when it's going your wrong way and you start seeing your money pile up, are you really gonna close, or are you gonna just wait until you're in some serious debt?
I asked that guy how much drawdown does he trade.
Yeah. Two minutes left for this 50-minute closure. Come on now, just hit 10 pips. Jesus Christ. If you don't, I don't really care right now. AJ in orange, GJ's just running, man. Fucking hell. GJ's just doing its own thing. Come on, hourly time frame. Bring some volume in this bitch. Nice. Isn't it? It's fucking slow as shit. It's okay though. How long left for this? 1 minute for this 15 to close. Yeah, looking like it's not gonna work over here. Come on. Yeah, it's 9:15. Yeah, I'm out. That's a shame. So 2 break-even trades. I mean, 0 drawdown on both of them, so that's great. But fuck me, the amount of I had 9 pips on both. So can't feel bullshit about it. You just have to move on. But that looked good to continue. I mean, I gave it enough time and couldn't. So it's a shame. So let's just update over here as well. 1 second. 2 break-even. We can see.
Breakfast, mate.
See you later. See you later, my man. So you can see over here though, if you held that full stop loss on now you've got a bit of drawdown, which is not nice, not nice. And now it's gonna do this move. Not. Let's take a look over here. Yeah, break even, man. If this continues now, I'm gonna cry. Let's take a look at the hourly time frame. Yeah, it's still gonna continue. It's just damn, I'm giving it I gave it a go, you know. Let's take a look then at AJ. As I said later on, AJ could be nice. GJ, I mean, fucking hell, GJ just continued. It's a shame about the traffic on the left. Yours is still open.
No, I got in on the GJ trade at 163.239. So yeah, holding it. We'll see where it goes.
Oh,
up
nice.
17 pips now.
Beautiful, beautiful. Does some people stay in? Some people got their gold trade still in? Oh, you're gonna get it as well now. No! Oh, fuck it. Well, TP1 hit over here. That's, oh my god. I don't know why that wicked me out. Maybe the spreads. Yeah. So breaking the low.
Yeah, me too.
Breaking the lows of the previous.
Break even. Okay.
Breaking the low of the previous 15 over here now, hitting TP1. Well done for people who held it on. That's such a shame. Thing is that you can't get butthurt about this. You got to move on to the next trade. Don't get butthurt about it. If you do that, it's gonna make you a lot salty, and you may take some silly trades. So it should eventually now come to 1852. What could you have done better in this trade? Absolutely nothing. I mean, the only thing I could have was hold it on, but I didn't want any drawdown. So yeah. So 2 break-even trades, all 0 drawdown pretty much. So we'll see. Let's take a look over here. Gold is pay. You held, you motherfucker. Oh, you guys held, mother shit. 2 nice trades today. Slightly unlucky we didn't get 10 on at least 1. Exactly, man. But you know, getting butthurt about that is gonna make you, you know, a much worse off. So you gotta just chill. Yeah. I like protecting my capital too. Exactly, man, exactly. And like the way it was struggling, you know, I wanted this hourly to make a top wick and flip and push quickly. So when it didn't do that, and we were in like, you know, 7 pips profit, normally I wouldn't put break even. So because Milan before was like, Max, why you put it at break even? It's because normally when the hourly opens, it gives it enough volume to then push and you know, push quick. Can you see the volume when we got in though? You know, it was very, very slow. It was fucking about. So, you know, I don't want that risk of me, you know, taking and losing trade just because I can see price is not running the way I want it to. Like, look at these candles here. Look how strong they are. When I get a candle like this, which isn't moving as hard, I gotta think to myself, is this the best outcome? And if it isn't, then, you know, I gotta chill about. Good lad, Ron. Good lad, good lad, good lad.
I was right. I didn't listen to you now. I didn't put break even.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
Good lad, good lad. Right, okay, so it's 20 past 9 over here now. I'm going to wait until NY. What am I going to wait for GJ? Well, I'm going to wait for GJ to make some support now. Some support somewhere to then ride it back up. Pretty obvious. AJ probably a closure above 92.734 is going to be looking nice. And gold probably later on sells for some reason. Again, maybe in this area. We'll see how far. I really think it's going to push down though here very, very soon. It's just taking its time. But yeah, guys, thank you very much for coming on. Make sure to like and subscribe and come on to the NY session if you guys want to. But yeah, beautiful work today here, guys. You know, I don't get butthurt about that. Getting 9 pips in the first one, and then pretty much 8 or 9 in the other one as well. But you know, it doesn't phase me. The only thing was that my entries had 0 drawdown, so that's what I want. And yeah, so yeah, guys, thank you very much for coming on. Make sure to see you guys tomorrow. Peace out, man. See you later, Zoom. I'll see you at 12 o'clock. See you later, guys.
See you later.
Peace out, peace out. See you later, YouTube. Thank you very much for coming on. Adios, amigos. Where's the NY session? It's on my link for the mentorship over here. I do it on Zoom for my group. But yeah, guys, thank you very much. Peace out, man. See you later, alligator.